hitting me.
Yeah, I'm gonna like step away. I'm gonna run away from that. I'm gonna run away from that. Because you know, I like doing sports, but one thing about me is I do not like to run. I really don't like to run. You see everyone
Oh my goodness.
how you can actually convince me how to actually love running, because I really don't like running.
You gotta change your mindset. Turn that hate into love. I know it sounds cheesy, but that's what my trainer used to say to me. And it sticks in my head.
Really?
Because she said that if you keep saying that you can't run, you hate running and stuff, you're gonna forever hate it.
Really? I think, okay, you are convincing me about like 50%.
The insurance company originally held her 100% at fault. Because of the video, here he comes, you can see him turn into her. Because of this video, that was reduced to 60%. It should have been less than that, because you can see him physically turn into her. The cop on the scene gave her 2 tickets because I couldn't get these videos off of the camera at the time. I sent them in to him, and he went to court and had those tickets dismissed. If those tickets didn't get dismissed, that would have been 4 points on her license.
Don't hit us.
What the? Ai đi xịt nữa là chỗ lớn nhỉ?
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? Yeah. I better put this in there.
मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता हो जाएगा बाकी है नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक डाउन नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women.
her deposition.
стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Пидоры, блядь! Блядь! Как это он так? Любимая, вам не позволят это?
И предназначена для передачи.
Оу! Что это? Ах ты, блядь, сука!
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
They'll probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. That might take a little longer from my location. But no. Okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
This hair is gonna be good, right? Because I could take breaks, or I could like.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the back. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no! I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Flash credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Anywhere fans go to cheer on their team, there are behind-the-scenes MVPs ensuring everything is game day ready. We see you, Joe. Fixing seats so every fan can enjoy every game. And Ellen, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
Take the next left onto Post Creek Road.
Caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to.
But still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought all the Oakleys. But I was making money too. Things were good. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording. I got.
Ryan and Wes failed out of college.
But the trick is getting one with the number that's good, because a lot of them, they're just been reused. But they're out there. What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, it'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you see, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
Experience. Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck. He didn't have to, I knew. You're not the first to founder of Ship-Trap Island.
Whoa! Oh! I just saw that.
Oh my god.
President Trump is demanding funding for a southern.
Yeah, buddy.
I want to get up.
Yeah.